So Vale International Group, the London stock ticker code is Vale, was formally IPO'd in 2015 in September 5. We are a cash shell which has the mandate to invest in financial, technology and fintech projects. In the last few months since incorporation, we've been looking at various fintech projects globally. Currently we're still vetting a few projects, and we will have news shortly of what we'll be investing into.
What is going on?
So right now in the last 12 months, what we've seen is there's been a tremendous increase in technology in terms of artificial intelligence, VR, AR, robotics, blockchain, various things, and it's all coming from mainly again the US and Asia, especially in China. We've seen a lot of increase in stats. For example, in China now holds 1/5 of the total world's population in internet users, and of that 1/5, 731 million are mobile users, which is like double like the US population. The space growing there is growing magnificently. What we're seeing is that there's a lot of big trends in artificial intelligence in terms of a lot of jobs and technologies which will be changed in the next 3 to 5 years. A lot of behavior and big data collection will change how we run a company, as well as to how to create more efficient and effective ways of running our businesses and growing them. So since we've seen Trump coming into power, we've seen a lot of European countries with new leaders in France. So we are getting a lot of naysayers on the Brexit issue. Obviously, there will be a lot of negative impact to the UK, but on the other side of the coin, what we will see is also, the pound has dropped. A lot of people are traveling from Europe to the UK as tourists, and they're spending more money. They can buy more things with their euro, and we will see a lot of opportunity where UK businesses will help UK businesses grow as well. So we are looking at various opportunities in the UK to take advantage of the post-Brexit situation. For example, we are starting to invest into a company in London where we invest to grow roses in the UK in Somerset. It's growing white and red roses from Dutch technology, which UK supermarkets and florists would want to pay in sterling, and at the same time the transportation costs within the UK will be a lot more efficient and cost effective than their European counterparts. Regarding other geopolitical factors such as Russia, North Korea, China and so on, they will be on the agenda. We've had numerous terrorist attacks in Europe, especially in the UK in the last 3 to 6 months. But the stock markets have still been very buoyant. The Dow Jones, the Hang Seng Index are in record highs. The property markets are on record highs. What we're seeing is that a lot of the hedge funds, a lot of the investment banks are now hedging their bets, thinking that we've come to a bubble. We've been like in an 8-year bull market. I think that it may take a bit of time before the bubble will burst. I think we just have to tread carefully to what businesses will sustain over the next 5-10 years instead of thinking of making a quick buck. So the geopolitical situation will affect it definitely, but at the same time we're looking for strong, robust business models with particular emphasis in the technology space, with disruptive technology that will help to gain more of a market share in the various industries. In the current economic climate, there's a few things that we are looking at very strongly. We're looking at very strong, robust British businesses post-Brexit. We're looking at a lot of Asian businesses and European businesses which are situated along the One Belt, One Road initiative, going from the far east of Russia, joining China all the way to Portugal. So there's a lot of interesting space in infrastructure, into technology, clean tech. We're seeing a lot of investment from the Chinese into various countries like Pakistan, Kazakhstan, into Dubai, into Cyprus, Malta, all the way to Portugal. From a technology standpoint, we're looking at a lot into AI, VR, and also into blockchain technologies. We're seeing a lot of Chinese investments into the UK and the US in terms of property, and also into know-how in terms of technology and clean tech.